Welcome back! Today we'll show you how to print using HTV on t-shirts. Here are the materials you will need. Let's get to it. First, upload your design to Cricut Design Space. Next, select Make It in your design space to set up your cutting preferences. Don't forget to set the mirror on. Next, set your material to Everyday Iron On. Now, lay your vinyl face down into your Cricut Cutting Mat. And load your mat into the cutting machine and start the cutting process. Now for the most satisfying part. Start by weeding off the vinyl outside your cut design. Finish off the smaller pieces using a weeding tool. And we're ready to heat press it on our blank shirt. Heat pressing HTV on your shirt. First, prep your shirt using a lint remover. Preheat your shirt with your heat press for 5 seconds. Next, position the vinyl into your shirt. Line it up with butcher paper and start applying your heat press at 315 degrees for 30 seconds. Once done, remove the heat press from the shirt and allow it to cool down before peeling off the plastic film. Slowly remove the plastic film off the vinyl to reveal your finished product. Great job! Enjoy and celebrate a job well done!
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates on our upcoming videos.